I'm so glad Traxxas gave me another option for offending Chevy and Ford fans all at the same time. Welcome back to the Scale Builders Guild. Thanks again for watching. If you are at all interested in lifted trucks, this is the video for you. Traxxas is now offering another option in their high trail line. This is the Ford F-150 Ranger XLT, and this is based off a late 70s Ford F-150 Ranger XLT. That's what they looked like. This is what this one looks like. It's pretty spectacular. There is not a lot I can talk about that is different underneath the body. There are a few things I will mention. If you are interested in a full review of the high trail and how it looks from the original one, just right back there. I'll put a link right up here so you can check that out. This is the new Ford version. That one's a Chevy, this one's a Ford. Comes in two different colors, this beautiful metallic blue that you see here, and a metallic brown that I think actually looks pretty darn good. That's a nice looking color. They both come with 2.2 wheels and Canyon Trail 2.2 tires. The difference, of course, between this and the original High Trail, that was the Chevy body, this one comes with these really nice Satin 5-slot wheels. They just look so good. I am really blown away by the look of them. They look fantastic. They look even better in real life. But let's talk about what you are going to get. This is the high trail version of the TRX4. This is the longer 13+ inch wheelbase version of the TRX4, only available in the high trail format. So bodies are specific to this chassis. This is your full function TRX4, so it's got 2-speed transmission, shiftable of course, and unlocking and locking differentials. All the same guts as every TRX4 RTR before it. But the main differences, of course, being this beautiful body. It is Lexan, so year of no Lexan's not going well so far, but they've added a lot of really great plastic details above and beyond what even the Chevy has. All of these trim pieces here, these chrome trim pieces, not stickers. These are actual plastic parts, hard plastic parts. Rear view mirrors, wipers, this really nice bumper. This push bumper is not included. That is a extra piece you have to buy separately, but looks darn good on there, I must say. There is also this really great roll bar on here with lights on the top. There are light buckets included. Not a light kit included. I have already added that. That has come to me as a special bonus. So this does have a full light kit. I'll light it up here in a few minutes. You can see all of the great lights, including side marker lights. And front and rear chrome bumpers. Overall, this is a really nice looking body. I am a sucker for Fords. I like them more than I like Chevys, and this one looks spectacular in real life. They've done a very good job, but there is one problem, again, of course, stickers for windows. I'll have to use some of my magic Tamiya paint remover in order to make clear windows again, which I will probably do at some point because I think they look way better with windows than they do with stickers. I'm not sure why. Traxxas has listened to everything else I've ever said. Why aren't they paying attention on that point too? I'll give them a pass though, because they really did a nice job on this body and the paint looks fantastic. I think it just overall is a really nice package. Looks very clean and very period correct. This big lifted truck, big 2.2 tires, big 2.2 wheels. That Satin wheel is spectacular. I think that's one of the best wheels I've ever seen on a Traxxas truck. They did a really nice job on those. It would be great to see a licensed tire instead of the Canyon Trail. I know it is a popular tire and it is an RTR tire in a nice decent compound, but I would love to see something a little more accurate, and that's something that maybe we'll do in the future with this one. Like the 2021 Bronco and the Chevy High Trail before the F-150, they all do feature the come hither model of clip bodies, which is fantastic. I really do like that. It makes it so easy to remove. Now, like I said, this Pro Scale light kit is not included. It's been added to show off what is possible with this body. And man, I have to say, it does look very good. They did a nice job of adding headlights that aren't super blue-white LEDs. They are sort of a more warm LED, which I think looks really good. We got the lights in the roll bar as well. Those look awesome. Also, marker lights front and rear. Maybe you can't see those there. You can see them now. That looks awesome. Tail lights as well. Now, because it is the Pro Scale light kit, let me get the remote here. You do, of course, get the TQI remote, standard with pretty much all the TRX4s, except the Sport. I think you do get a slightly less feature-rich radio in the Sport because, of course, it doesn't have any of the shifting stuff. So like any Pro Scale light kit, it does have working brakes, which is awesome, and also reverse lights, also very awesome. Man, oh man, they did such a nice job on this one. It really does look awesome. The light kit just adds so much to it. But like I said, that's not included. So don't get it twisted. You will have to buy a separate Pro Scale light kit if you do want to run it like it's shown here. I don't know how many more times I can mention that. Actually, I have a whole bunch of parts from Traxxas to take all of the high trail stuff off and make this less of a lifted truck, which I might actually do. I'll put 1.9s on it. We'll kind of make it a little more of a stock look in the future. But for now, let's get it outside and have a run with it, because we haven't even run the other one yet, which is embarrassing. But, you know, winter is an unpredictable season. While I did make that a mud truck and I do want to get it in the mud, a lot of that mud is still ice. So we're going to have to wait on that. In the meantime, though, let's take out the Ford F150 Ranger XLT and see how it does. What a beautiful day. You could not ask for a nicer day. I mean, you could ask for a nicer day, actually. It's pretty cold out today. We're in our usual spot close to home, and we're driving the new TRX4 High Trail F150 Ranger XLT. And my, what a nice looking truck you are. This is my first time driving a stock High Trail. Of course, I've ruined the other one and made it into a pretty big deal mud truck. You know, as this ice melts, we'll have some more time to actually drive that mud truck, which I'm really looking forward to. That'll be fun. That'll be really fun. In the meantime, though, here is the stock High Trail with all the TRX4 trimmings you would expect. 2-speed, locking and unlocking differentials. It's a very usable 2-speed. If you are the type of person that likes to go fast on the trails, hit all those jumps, you can do that. The High Trail differentiates itself from the TRX4 by adding the TRX lift kit and the 2.2 wheels and tires. Those are really the only major differences between them. Of course, they offer a couple of different bodies. The XLT, like this one here, and that Chevy Cheyenne, which is a nice option. The biggest difference driving-wise and driving dynamics is that this is a lot more top-heavy, of course. So it isn't as nimble on the rocks as, say, your regular TRX4. Certainly, it's more nimble on the rocks than I am, though. The stock servo does okay. It's not the best. It is an RTR, so, you know, you can expect that. But, you know, with the proper driving input and choosing a good line, you will find yourself having just as much fun with this as you would any other TRX4. It's obviously, you know, it's designed to be that sort of lifted look. And, see, there you go. There's a bit of servo, not doing the best job ever, but still doing fine. Because it does have those larger wheels and tires, it will get over some obstacles that a 1.9 truck wouldn't. And like I said, you know, you choose the right lines, like I seem to be doing here, and you'll do just fine. Oh. Yes. Keep going. There we go. Nice. There we go. Pop it over that lip. And eventually we get where we're going. Or do we? Yes. Yes, we do. Exceptional. I like the 2-speed. I do find the low end to be very good. I don't find myself using the locking and unlocking differential all that often. It's not really my bag, baby. But, you know, for people who like ultra realism, it is a thing. Now, let's see. Are any of those wheels not moving? Yes, as you would expect. Let's lock the diffs now and see if we can't make our way up that. Let's see if we can get it to go up now that all the diffs are locked. Probably a little bit steep. But at least you get the idea. Yes, there you go. Okay. I think the major appeal of the TRX4 High Trail Edition is the looks. They really do an excellent job with their Lexan bodies on these ones. Lots more molded details, it seems, and just really good proportions. Like they've kind of nailed that sort of lifted Chevy, lifted Ford look. And while my driving is proving to be fairly horrible, you can see that it's still a very nice, capable option. Good steering radius, rugged good looks, and a nice package.
It certainly has that custom vibe and reminds me very much of the 70s and early 80s and what people would do to their trucks. Oh boy, I'm falling through the ice. Good thing it's not too deep.
So there you go, first look, run, and review of the new Traxxas TRX4 High Trail F150 Ranger XLT, and I think this is a really nice compliment to the Chevy. Now, both Chevy and Ford fans can fight over which truck is better. My thanks, of course, to Traxxas for sending this along so I can do a run and a review of it. I think it is a fantastic option. It's another great addition to what I think is proving to be quite a popular line for the TRX4. Despite its age, that chassis has been out for a while. And it just goes to show you that it's still maintaining a strong following and a good amount of popularity. It's nice to see this high trail version. I think it just adds another dimension to the overall driving experience. Is a high trail something that you might be purchasing in the near future? If it is, put a comment down below letting me know why. If you're enjoying this video and you like to see reviews of new trucks, hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and ring that notification bell so you get updates anytime there's a new video from the Scale Builders Guild. I think it's going to do it on this one. There will be more content coming soon on this F150 Ranger XLT, because we're going to make it less lifted. Maybe I'll see if I can find that portal delete kit too. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again soon.